In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, change, or remove a payment method on Uber Eats. Whether you're just getting started with the app or looking to update your payment details, this guide will walk you through every step of the process, ensuring you can make transactions smoothly and efficiently. Let's begin by opening your app or heading to the Uber Eats website. You'll want to make sure you're logged in to your account. This is important because your payment methods are linked to your Uber account, so you'll need access to it to make any changes. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main screen that displays featured restaurants and promotions. In the top corner of your screen, you'll see what we refer to as the hamburger menu icon, which consists of three horizontal lines. Tap on this icon to reveal a sidebar menu. This menu houses various options pertaining to the app's settings and features. The option we're interested in is titled Wallet. Tap on Wallet to take you to the section where all your payment methods are stored. Now that you're viewing your wallet, you should see a list of all the cards and payment options you've previously added. To change an existing payment method or remove it, tap on the card you wish to edit. This action takes you to another screen where you can manage the selected card. Here, if your goal is to delete this payment method from your account, simply look for the Remove Card button and tap on it. Confirm the removal if prompted, and the card will be deleted from your account. To add a new payment method, return to the Wallet section. Usually, you'll find an option somewhere on this page to add a new payment method, often marked with a plus sign or a Add Payment Method button. Tapping this will guide you through a series of prompts that ask for your card details or other payment information. Enter your details carefully, and once everything is filled out correctly, confirm the action to add the new payment method. As a quick tip, make sure your card is valid and there are no restrictions on it for online purchases, which could prevent successful transactions through Uber Eats. It's also a good idea to double check that your billing address matches the one your card issuer has on file, as this discrepancy can occasionally cause issues. If you encounter any problems, remember that Uber Eats offers customer support to handle any issues that arise, including those concerning payment processing or account settings. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to managing your payment methods on Uber Eats. Thanks for tuning in and happy ordering.